So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add admin or manager on your YouTube account. So to add a manager, before I go into the video, there's something I want to explain. There's personal YouTube account and brand account. So I'm going to be showing you there's a process where you can follow. If you are using personal YouTube account, there's a way you can follow and add manager, and if you are using branded account, there's a way you can follow and add anybody as a manager or editor of your channel. And if you are adding anybody, know that you trust the person, because if you add the person might remove you from the owner of the YouTube channel. So what you are going to do now, locate your browser, any type of browser you are using, either Chrome, Firefox, anyone, or Pramini. So I'm using Chrome. So when you log in, make sure that the Chrome browser you are signing in with your Gmail account that is connected with your YouTube account. And anybody that has a Gmail account, you automatically get YouTube channel, except if you do not create. So if you log into YouTube like this, you'll be seeing this thing. As you can see, the email, you see the email of DD Abstech. So DD Abstech is a branded YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how, if your own channel is branded channel, you'll be able to add anybody as a manager. So when you log into the channel now, click on YouTube Studio. So when you click on YouTube Studio, it will take you to this interface. So when you come to interface here, click on settings. So when you click on settings, you see permission, click on permission. So when you click on permission, you see where they say manage permission. So click on manage permission. So when you click on manage permission, it's going to take you to another tab where you'll be able to add anybody as a manager. So you can see this is brand account. You can see DD Abstech. So you can click manage permission. So when you click on manage permission, they will ask you the password, so that for them to confirm that you are the one that is signing in. So I'm going to enter the password now. So after entering the password, click on next. So when you click on next, if your Gmail account is signed in with your mobile phone, they'll ask you to verify your mobile phone. So I'm going to use my phone to accept the verification that they sent me. But if your email is not logged into any of your mobile device, they will not ask you, they will just go straight. So I will accept now. Then I will click 16 in my mobile phone. So once you've done that and they verify the password, you come back here and click on permission again. So when you click on permission, you can see the owner of the channel. This is the owner of the channel, this is the primary owner. So if you click on this sign here, click on here. So with this branded account, you'll be able to enter those. If it's 5 people, you can type their email here, or if you know their YouTube channel, you can add here. Then you will see invite is going to be active. But if you click on choose row here, choose row. So let's first type the email. So let me use DD again here. So you can type multiple Gmail account as much as you can, then enter the email and make sure that the email you are entering is correct and the person you are inviting has YouTube channel. Either use the person email address or the person YouTube channel name. Then if you can see where they say choose a role, then click here. So do you want the person to be a owner or manager? So click on manager. So the good part is that this brand account, you can be able to, if you make anybody as an owner, that's mean you want to sell the channel. Most people make, if they want to sell their channel, you create brand account so that when they want to sell it will be easier for them. So click as a manager. So when you click as a manager, you see the invite here. Invite will be active. So when you click on invite, the person is going to get notification that DD Abstract send you to manage his YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you now how you can use personal account to add anybody. So when you log in now, you still follow the same process. You locate YouTube Studio down here. You can see YouTube. When you click here, it will take you here. So once you open YouTube Studio, scroll down, the same thing, you see setting, then click on settings. So when you click on settings, you see permission. Click on permission. So when you click on permission, you can see where they say invite here. So this one now, you can see this is the owner, the name, the owner of the channel. So if you click on invite here, you are going to be seeing different access you want to give the person. This is personal YouTube channel account. So if you click here, if you click on this arrow down here, you can see different access. You can give the person access as a manager, give the person access as editor, you give the person access as editor limited, you give the access as subtitle editor. So these are the roles. So you enter the person email. Here is only email. When you enter the person email, then choose the access, how you want the person to receive, to be the manager on your channel. So as you can see, once we finish, you click on done. But before you click on done, you will see that they say invitation is going to expire in 30 days. That's mean the person, if the person did not accept the invitation, it's going to expire in 30 days. So that is how you can add anybody as a manager or editor in your YouTube channel account. See you in the next video. Thank you.